Hey, why no share? It's a Kinder Surprise. More milk, less. I don't know what that says. Just don't care about it. Caught you eating it. Let's open it. It's still alive. No, it's dead. This is annoying. I think inside is actually milk chocolate. Okay, that's nice. Let's see this one. It's a little girl. Not just a girl. She's a fairy. Oh my gosh. Already open the chocolate. Hey guys, we're here with another, there's chocolate ring. We're here with another surprise. The chocolate is here. It's this Kinder Surprise. So, I did not want to disturb you and keep on opening it and show you the wrapping paper and all that. So we got the toy. I'm not looking. Okay, I'm not looking. What's this thing? Okay, I think it's here. Okay, it's time to open my eyes now. Okay, let me open my eyes. OMG, it's a girl. But not just a girl. It's a fairy. Oh my god, it's so cute. I really want to collect all of them. Okay, let's see. This is a cute slip. Okay, let's see what else. You can collect all of this. This one is my favorite. This one, second is the red one. Third is what I got. And go for this one. I got my third favorite. And how you actually make this glue is actually a highlighter. After that, you cut it. Oh. Yes, baby. And this girl will be on my YouTube because her YouTube, which is Glenda Chia, has been shut down for no reason. What thing? I didn't even do anything to you. We did not know what happened to her. So let me say again, she will be on my YouTube because her YouTube channel, which is Glenda Chia, you can go check it out, is actually shut down for no reason. So she will be on my YouTube now. She'll play all the cute little activities, like climb in the cover. That's not an activity. Get out.
Close the door.
Close. Oh, seriously? Okay, come on, let's go, baby. Let's go. You won't be able to go in. And just to show, she's a little grumpy. And very, very naughty. Hey, I asked you don't poo before.
Hey, I know this one flavor.
See, I told you she was a little naughty and a little grumpy. Stop touching that.
Hey.
See? Hey, that's not yours. Grumpy girl with a fat butt. And she likes to play with Tiffany a lot. I got her how to play LPS. How good was I? Fail. So, I guess what we are left with is actually the popping candy here. Okay, Okay, whatever. And how to make a drain. So, done. Say bye.
Bye.
Frankies. Frankies. Mwah. No, mwah, like that. Yay, bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Aw, she don't likes you. This was me when I was a little girl. This was my school. There's. Hey, Harry Potter! Ding, 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 ding!
Để ta còn á.
Okay.
Why you on the light so bright already? Don't on the light in front of her. Don't on the light in front of her.
I know.
Face the other.
I have the spotlight. Okay. Let's put Tiffany at the spotlight. Okay. Okay, bye, guys. Bye. So sorry about the background noise.